This is Ultra. Every component, every layer, engineered to last. Ultra speed, ultra battery, yet an impossible slimness made possible. This is the Ultra phone that folds open. From cover to main, your screen seamlessly continues. Now Nudge understands your screen to suggest your next action, like adding events to your calendar or mapping out locations. And just like that, your whole trip clicks into place. Shoot in stunning 200 megapixels with the Ultra camera and unfold details you never knew existed. And with 50 megapixels, see the world stretching ultra wide. When the sun goes down, nightography video brightens the night. Every face, every expression, captured exactly as it was. Here's a sweet new reveal.
This is the all-new Z Fold. The Fold, designed around how you view your content. Scroll, feeds, reels, and when you unfold, immerse yourself in what you're watching. The ratio doesn't just fit the content, it was made for every moment of joy. It's the flattest fold we've made, you might even forget it folds. Powerful inside, yet it's the world's lightest fold. Fold it like a digicam and just shoot. Dual 50 megapixel camera will handle the rest. And with Galaxy AI, add your own touch. Then easily compare side by side. Okay, we see you. But you can't shake this camera off.
Look what I can do.
Didn't see it coming? Film it all. My fan cam lets you choose who gets the spotlight in the ratio you want. Every journey, every detail, every memory. Yours, and only yours. Knox keeps it that way. All new unfolds. Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra and Z Fold8.